Welcome to Desynology's HTML tutorial series. This is the third part of this series. In the first video, we discussed HTML basics and some text editors for use. In the second video, we discussed about some of the main HTML tags. In this video, let's learn more about HTML tags. Without further talking, let's get started. In the second video, we discussed tables. Now let's name the tables by caption tag. The caption tag defines a table caption. The caption tag must be inserted immediately after the table tag. By default, a table caption will be center aligned above a table. However, the CSS properties text align and caption side can be used to align and place the caption. Let's add it and check our website. As you can see now, we successfully added a table caption to our website. HTML tables can have cells that span over multiple rows and columns. Spanning is simply merging cells. To make a cell span over multiple rows, use the Rowspan attribute. The value of the Rowspan attribute represents the number of rows to span. Let's add this to the table. As you can see now, I added a table. Now let's span our rows by Rowspan attribute. You can use it inside a TD or TH tag. In this case, I want to merge two tags. Now let's save this project and check our website. As you can see, our table is mutated. Let's fix it by removing the TD tag. To fix it, we can delete the content in other rows. To understand it, you can delete other rows and check them. Always try to do practicals. Let's add a caption called Rowspan. Now let's check our website. As you can see, our tables are a little bit closer. Let's fix it by BR tag. You can use starting or closing tags for this. Now let's span some columns. To make a cell span over multiple columns, use the Columnspan attribute. I added a table and added a caption. You can use Columnspan inside a TD or TH tag. Now let's add it and check our website. This table is also mutated. Let's fix it by removing table content. To fix it, we need to delete the content in the same row that the Columnspan attribute added. Also, you can delete and check. Let's give it space by ending the BR tag. Now let's add images to our website. In the previous video, we created a file called HTML on my desktop. I added some images into that same HTML folder. One image was added as a normal image called img1 with our HTML document. I store another image called img2 in a folder called images. In the images folder, I added another folder called folder1, and inside that folder, I added an image named img3. All these image files are JPG files. I linked this project file in the description. You can easily download it. For importing images, we need to know the extension. For that, go to the view in the menu bar and tick the file name extensions. Now you can see the extension of any file. Now let's go to our project and start to add images. The img tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page, images are linked to web pages. The img tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. There is a required attribute called src. It specifies the path to the image. Let's add our first image called img1.jpg and check our website. As you can see now, our image added to our website. This image is too big. To resize the image, you can use an attribute called width. Also, you can use the height attribute. With this attribute, you can change the width by using percentages or pixels. As you can see now, we resized our image. Let's add our second image. It is in a folder called images. Let's add that image. First, we need to add the file path. In this case, my image is in the images file. I typed it. To write the path, you can use a forward or backward slash. My path is images_img2.jpg. Now let's see our website. As you can see now, our image is successfully added to our web page. Let's change the size of our image by height attribute. Okay, I have a challenge for you. Previously I showed the third image of our project. First, download the project file. I need to add the third image to my website. How to do that? If you know the answer, please type the source code of it in the comment section. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to do practicals. If your time is worth it, please give me a favor, subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. What should I do next? What do I need to improve in my content? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.